Accidentally deleted a note or all of them disappeared from iPhone Note app? Here's how to recover deleted notes on iPhone. First, check out recently deleted folder to recover them. If all mistakenly removed notes were permanently deleted from recently deleted folder after 30 days, or no folder is there, use iOS Data Recovery to get deleted notes back on iPhone or restore from backup. We'll also show you how to recover iPhone notes that were deleted after logging out of iCloud account. Let's start. When you swipe an iPhone or iCloud note and tap the trash icon, it won't be permanently deleted. Instead, it will move to recently deleted folder, where it still can be recovered back to the device within 30 days after deleting. To recover the deleted notes on your iPhone, tap Edit at the top right corner. Find your notes and select them. Tap Move, choose any folder, and the deleted notes are back and appear at here. If the recently deleted album doesn't show up, or the notes have been completely removed from there, your next step is to use a tool named iOS Data Recovery to retrieve deleted notes on iPhone. It'll dive into your iPhone storage system and find all the deleted notes that can be recovered along with the included texts and attachments. You can preview them and selectively recover what you need. Alright, now go to appgeeker.com. Click Products. Choose iOS Data Recovery or select iOS Data Recover for Mac. Next, click here to download. Then, install and get it open. Click Recover from iOS device and connect your device to the computer. Once it detects your device, click the blue Start Scan button.
This might take a few minutes to scan the files from your phone,
so please wait patiently. If asked, click Encrypted Scan. Then, enter passcode on your phone and press Continue button. Once done, scroll down a little bit. Choose Notes, and what it found will be displayed on the right. The deleted notes will be marked in red and others are the ones that are saved on your device. You can use the filter at the top to show the deleted notes only. Hit any note you need. Then you can preview and edit its detailed content on the right, including the title, the words, and attachment like pictures, scanned documents, map, links, etc.
Highlight what you'd like to recover.
You can choose specific ones, or just check the box next to notes to select all of them. To recover these deleted iPhone notes, click the Recover button. Select a place to save the recovered content on your computer and hit Recover button again. Now, all you deleted notes will be recovered as HTML files. If you have a backup of the lost notes, an obvious way is to restore data back from the backup. The only downside is that either restoring from iCloud Backup or iTunes Backup will require you to factory reset the device first. If you only want the lost notes back, and don't wish to restore the phone to the factory settings, iOS Data Recovery gives you a solution to do that. Go back to the main interface of the tool. If you have an iTunes Backup, click Recover from iTunes Backup file. Select an iTunes Backup that contains your lost notes and hit Start button. Then, preview and select what you need to recover, and hit Recover button. If you have an iCloud Backup, choose Recover from iCloud. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Once signed in, uncheck the Select All box and tick the Note and Attachments box. Press the Start button. Then, preview the details of them and hit Recover button to get them back. If you've turned on Notes in iCloud and you have more than one iOS device that logged in with the same Apple ID, you can try this method. Quickly turn off Wi-Fi connection and enable airplane mode on the devices you have. This could prevent syncing the deletion to another device you own. Then, turn to another device. If you're in luck, the notes you removed before should be there. You can just create a new folder and move it there. Now, turn Wi-Fi back on. Go to the app on your device and what you lost should be back with everything came with it. Some users complain that notes get deleted from iPhone after they log out of iCloud account. In this case, just sign back in again with your iCloud account, and then you can undelete notes from iPhone. If they're gone from your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, etc. after the update, you can go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Mail. Tap Accounts. Tap your email account, switch on the toggle for notes, and now, the missing notes should appear on your phone.
That's the end for this video.
Give this video a like if it helps and share it with your friends. If you have questions on the recovery of deleted notes on iPhone, feel free to comment below to let us know. Also, be sure to subscribe AppGeeker to get more tech tips and stay tuned with us.